What's up everybody, today we're back again at Bang Olufsen Ter Horst in Utrecht for another video about the brand new Beosound Stage. Links to all his social media and stuff and his shop are down in the description, so are mine. We're going to take a deeper dive into how the sound performs on this beautiful soundbar, and at the end of the video I'll prove to you that you don't need a subwoofer if you do a soundbar right. Have fun, enjoy, like and subscribe and all that jazz.
With a holy grail.
Heart of mine, be still. You can play with fire, but you'll get the bill. Don't let her know. Don't let her know that you love her. Let her think you think she's fine. Heart of mine, heart of mine, go back home. You got no reason to wonder, no reason to roam. So don't let her see. Don't let her see that you need her. Don't put yourself over the line. Heart of mine. Heart of mine, go backward where you once have been. Gonna be trouble for you when you let her in. So don't let her hear. Don't let her hear that you want her. Don't let her think that you think she's fine. Heart of mine. So don't let them know. Don't let her know where you're going. Don't untie the ties that bind heart and mind.
Hi guys, for this one I'll be walking around a bit in this enormous shop to dispel the myth that some people think a soundbar needs a subwoofer. It really doesn't if you do it right. So I'll play this song and you'll see how the sound carries in an enormously big and beautiful shop like this. I mean, as you can see, it's about 100 square meters. Where I'm standing now is about 3.5 meters away, but I'll show you and I'll tell you where I am. Let's see, what volume are we at? And let's do this in the reflection. Can't. We're at 60, so we're about 2/3 of the way. And we're way off axis, by the way. I actually feel the bass in my feet. This is about 5 meters away. This is more about 7. Even off axis, now you can see harmony. This is, so it's over there. We're now about 12 meters away. And this isn't even the bass heavy bit. About 10 meters. Remember, we're still at 60. That's only about 2/3 of the volume range. This thing shouts and goes loud. And I'm not joking, I can feel the bass in my feet at like 5 meters away. This floor is concrete. Excellent product. This is about 6 meters nearly away, about 5.5 or so, 6. For sale. Go buy some 50s too while you're at it. This is about 2 meters away. This thing is excellent. I advise everybody to get their pre-orders in right now. I mean, they should be available soon, and get one if you're interested at all. Take my word for it, it's great. Big thank you to Bang Olufsen Ter Horst here in Utrecht. Links are down in the description, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Also, don't forget to tell me what you think about it in the comments. Bye.